Hello everyone. I'm back with how to place the shell overlay, how to place the shell overlay for this GitHub. TortoiseGIT. So I have actually asked the same question to ChatGPT. Bing, and how to remove shell overlay in Windows. So it actually showed it as a location like HKey local machine, software, Microsoft Windows current version Explorer, shell overlay I can identify. Okay. So what I will do is I will go to this location, regedit. Regedit. This is actually the registry editor. This location is actually for the registry editor, local machine, HKey local machine, software, Microsoft. Okay. So this is one HKey local machine, software, Microsoft, then Windows current version Explorer. Okay. Windows. Uh, Windows current version Explorer, current version Explorer. Uh, A B C D E F G Explorer, A B C D E F Explorer. Then there is one more thing called shell icon overlay identifiers. Okay, so shell icon shell icon overlay identifiers. There it might have already have tortoise normal. So probably what I will do is I will remove this one drive. Okay. So this might be creating the problem because there are some priority. It will show only very few things for the shell icon overlay. So what I will do is I will delete this or the one drive. Then so this should work, I believe. Okay. So once we delete this, this should work at least in the next restart. Okay. Hopefully, hopefully this will have this sort of shell icon overlay. May not be right now. Probably in the next restart, you should expect and this to have this overlay, so that you will be able to easily identify and see which all files are actually modified, and you will be able to easily commit and update. Maybe I will come back again with another such a video after restarting this machine. Okay.